The PIT maneuver, or pursuit intervention technique, is an effective tactic to force a fleeing car to abruptly turn sideways, causing the driver of the fleeing vehicle to lose control and stop. The maneuver requires the pursuing vehicle to get into position alongside the rear of the fleeing vehicle and make contact with the side of the vehicle just behind the back wheels and then steer sharply into the fleeing vehicle. This will then cause the fleeing vehicle to turn sideways, forcing the driver to stop. Along with the exact positioning of the pursuing vehicle, there are several other factors that must be considered when attempting this maneuver, such as speed, location, and the height of the vehicles, because any miscalculation can lead to a potentially dangerous situation. The required skill set to properly execute the PIT maneuver relies on behind-the-wheel training and dedicated tracks or vehicle practice range. The proper implementation of multi-directional motion-based simulation when teaching the PIT maneuver has several benefits. Not only does it create a safe virtual environment in which to teach the maneuver, but it can also be used to safely teach the differences in speed. Usually, it's not recommended that the maneuver be attempted at speeds above 35 miles per hour. But with simulation vehicle speed variables, it can be introduced to demonstrate cause and effect and demonstrate why lower speeds are recommended without the risk of injury to vehicle occupants. Also, when attempting the maneuver, the officer must consider the potential hazards to other road users and pedestrians if the wrong location is chosen to initiate the maneuver. Simulation can be used to show the differences in locations and when best to initiate the maneuver to avoid injuries to fellow officers and to the general public. The height of the vehicles will also be a factor when attempting the maneuver, because vehicles such as SUVs and vans will have a higher center of gravity and cause the vehicle to frequently roll over. Simulation will allow the training in the use of various types of pursuit vehicles and the different handling characteristics of those vehicles when attempting the PIT maneuver on different types of fleeing vehicles. Most importantly, simulation training provides for a safe environment in which to teach the PIT maneuver without the risk of injury to the officer or damage to actual vehicles. There is a high cost and potential damage to real vehicles in the execution of the maneuver, and maintaining a fleet of different types of vehicles for both pursuit and potential PIT maneuvers is also expensive. The use of realistic simulation can also eliminate the high risk of injury to the occupants of the vehicles with real-life training. Simulation also allows for training in a safe, controllable environment that encourages learning for situations and weather conditions that you would never want to experience in real life for just training.